Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on adding fractions. Now we're going to be looking at adding the fraction 2/3 plus 2 and 1/3. You've got to write the answer in the box provided, and this question is worth 1 mark. Now the key facts you need to be able to answer this question are steps. So you need to first of all find a common denominator. Now the denominator is the number in the bottom. Now in this case our denominator is the same, so we already have a common denominator, which makes our question much easier. You need to use equivalent fractions if you don't have a common denominator, but in this case you won't need to do that. You'll then need to add the whole numbers. So in this case here, there's no whole number in front of the 2/3, but there is a whole number in front of the 1/3. So you're going to add the whole numbers. Then you're going to add the numerators. So these are the numbers at the top. So in this case of the 2 and the 1. And you're going to keep your denominator the same once you've added your numerators. Then you're going to convert your answer into a mixed fraction if you can, and cancel your answer as well if it is relevant. So press pause, have a go at working out the answer to this question and press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done guys, hopefully you've managed to get yourself an answer. Now sometimes it's easier to draw a little diagram to see what is going on to help with this question. Now if we add together the whole numbers, okay, we've just got 2 whole numbers. So there's no whole number here, plus the 2 whole number, that goes here, 2 whole numbers. Then I'm going to add my numerators. 2 plus 1 gives me 3, and the denominator stays the same because our denominators were already common in the first place. So I have got 3 over 3. Now this over means divide. So this means 3 divided by 3. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that is the same as 2 whole ones add on 1 whole one. Now I write it in this form, it's really easy to see what the answer is. 2 plus 1 is obviously 3, and remember to write that answer in the box. But diagrammatically, we have got 2 whole ones, okay, plus 2/3 plus 1/3. Okay, so I have got 2 whole ones over here, so this is 2 whole ones, plus the 1/3. So the second fraction here is the yellow bars or the gold bars, and the 2/3 is the first bars. 2 sections shaded. Now you can see in total I've got 3 sections here, 3 sections in the middle, 3 sections, and each 3 sections is equivalent to 1 whole one. So I've got 1 whole, 2 wholes and 3 wholes, which is why my answer is 3. Remember to write it in the box to get your mark for this question. So the easiest way to do this was literally just to add together the numerators. So 2 plus 1 was 3. 3 divided by 3 is the same as 1. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3, which is why your answer is 3. Well done if you managed to get the answer. Great work. The mark scheme on this question shows there is 1 mark. 1M means 1 method mark. It says accept equivalent fractions. So if you wrote something equivalent, for example 6 over 2, because 6 divided by 2 is 3, that is acceptable. But if you wrote 2 and 3 over 3, that is not acceptable. So that answer will not be accepted if you wrote that. So make sure you write your answer nice and clearly, just as the number 3. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.